Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy step-to-step tutorial on how to delete your theme in Canva. If you want to get rid of a theme in Canva and you don't know how, then here's how you can do it. Open your Canva application or simply log into canva.com on a web browser. Once you're logged into your Canva account, tap on the menu button at the top left-hand corner. Inside the menu option, tap on Settings at the bottom. Scroll down to your Theme section and then tap on Theme Details. Right at the bottom of the Theme Details tab, you'll be able to see a Delete Theme option. If you want to permanently delete your theme and all of the resources inside it, tap on the Delete button right next to Delete Theme. Go through the information first before continuing to delete your theme. By deleting your theme, you will also delete all of the designs, brand kits, uploads, and other content created with the theme. You have 14 days to undo the deletion process. You'll be sent an instruction for restoring your theme via email, which can be found, or it can be done using the Help Center as well. If you are sure you'd like to delete your theme, go ahead and enter the theme name in the text box to confirm. After you are done with it, tap on Delete Theme and you have successfully deleted one of your theme in Canva. So that is how you can easily delete a theme in Canva with a few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.